Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can make your character's lip sync using Hedra AI. In order to do so, here we are at Hedra.com and we're all logged in. And the first thing you're probably going to want to do is hit create up at the top. That should bring you to a page like this. And what you can find here is in the audio section is where you can either write a script, you can choose a voice, or you can even record your own voice or upload audio. Here in the middle section is where you can add your character. You can either upload your own character or you can generate an image using the Hedra image generator, which is quite useful, or you can even take a photo of yourself. In this case, we went ahead and generated an image. I generated a male announcer. His name is Brian, and this is what he's going to be saying. So let's go ahead and take a look at the results here.
Welcome to Skillcraft.
So there you go. So that gives you some idea
Welcome to Skillcraft.
of what Hedra is capable of. Let's just take a quick look at some of the other options here.
Don't worry, citizen. I'm here to help.
There you go. And let's take a listen to her.
Thanks for choosing Skillcraft. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So there you go. So that gives you an idea of what Hedra is capable of. It really is one of the best, if not the best, lip sync generator that's out there. It adds a lot of emotion to the characters. And one of the nice things is they do provide you with free daily credits. So you can come in daily and it gives you about 5 different generations that you can do. If you want to upgrade, then there are different subscription plans depending on what it is that you're looking to do. You can select from here, and I would say that from the different options that are out there, Hedra is at the top of the pile, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.